Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am back working in my stamp room on my Paper Pumpkin Alternatives for April 2024's kit called Delicate Wings. This is alternative video number 13. This is going to be a real quickie, I think, guys. So this is a look at the project sheet. You got 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of that one. A QR code to show you how to put the kit together as the cards were designed. A QR code to bring you to order these add-on dies, which are good for April, May, and June's Paper Pumpkin kits. And then a visual of everything in the kit and the coordinating colors. Now, in videos 1 through 5, of course, I show you what comes in the kit. After that, we don't do that. So what do I have for us? I have this magnetic tin in kind of a soft gray color that I've had in my stash. I was looking through something to do with the box. And then the beautiful Phyllis sent me some dies for my birthday. Should I show you now or should I show you? Oh, we're going to show you now. So these are part of them. I'm going to do a reveal, I think, on my birthday. So these are them that she sent me. Really cool. I absolutely love this, that it's a big circle that says happy birthday. So what am I using? I'm using her dies, and I'm using one of the butterflies. Oh, do I have another sheet? In the last video, which I tend to try to use up, trying to find it. Yes, the last one I have. Having no nails does not help. So in video number 12, I showed you how I used the add-on dies to cut out these 2 butterflies. And then I used the white piece of it with the gold trim to make a beautiful card. So if you haven't seen it, please check that out. So I have this butterfly, and this is what I'm doing. So I used the circle die here, and it's like 3 1/8, and Stampin' Up! Had some layering circle dies. This is very reminiscent of that. It might even be the size that my grandson took a pair of scissors and cut and tried to bury in the dirt I found a couple of years ago. Yeah, he cut it right in half. It was interesting. So anyways, I cut this in Misty Moonlight. But the happy birthday one, isn't that beautiful? I cut this in part of an envelope, and I want to show you. So I cut an envelope apart because I was using the Basic Beige. Now I'm going to be using this in video 14. I'll be using this piece because I already have that set here, but this is going to go really quick. So thank you, Phyllis. I'm using them. Now I'm going to stick them back in here. Oh, let me just show you what else she sent me. She said, do not open till the 25th, but I think she meant do not open till your birthday. So I'm going to show you these again, but I want to show you what else she sent me. So isn't that fantastic? And those little ribbons can go on the little bows. I absolutely love that. That is the perfect birthday card. And then this is a tag, and I don't think she realizes what a great shape tag this is. And it has a layering scallop piece, but not just for Christmas for different, but for my junk journaling. That is going to be fabulous. And this one says, do not open until December 25th, which I love this, and it's going to be great for Christmas. So thank you. That was such a treat to open. So I didn't do a mail call on this because I was going to share it on my birthday celebration, which I still will, but I have to give you a sneak peek, right? Now, my birthday being May 6th, we are celebrating it May 19th here on YouTube with a YouTube live event. On the 3rd, because I still can't drive, guys, because I'm still recovering, my aunt is coming over. And she's going to take me to the post office because I have everything in a little notice of what you need to pre-cut. The envelopes will all be going out then. So look for that soon in the mail. When you see this video, they already will have been mailed out. But anyway, so let's get started. So I have this little tin. This is so easy, guys. Oh, I know what? I need one more. I need something for the back so you don't see. Ah, did I just mess up? Let's see. I need something for the back. That's more Misty Moonlight. Give me a second. I need to cut one for the inside because I don't want to see the tear tape and stuff that I put on this, right? We don't want to see that. So I need to give me a quick second. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. But I need to run this through the die cut machine here. Get it in there. Crank it out. Alright. We'll just bring the whole thing over. Alright. Set that now back over there. Now I have two. Woo! I'm going to have to make notes of that. So, we need two of these. You need another circle. You could do layering just circles up. You don't have to have the birthday, but it's going to look so cool together. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put tear tape on both of these. And I could use the tear tape that came in the kit, but I have this roll started and it's going kind of wonky, so we're going to use this up. I'm going to do 3 on this strip, 3 on this strip. So kind of my aunt, she's like, okay, I have to run errands. She's like, you want to come run errands? I'll take you to run your errands. And I'm like, yes, I really would, because I really need out of my house mentally. I mean, I love my husband. He is being sent off to the doctors with Hank, because Hank has been coughing an awful lot. But he's taken him to the doctors. But if I go outside, my husband doesn't let me go off the front porch. He's very protective right now. I love him to pieces. I mean, I walk down the driveway to, makes me smile. I got a big smile telling you guys this story. So I walked down the driveway a couple of times to just see him. He was helping our son fix his car, and they did get it fixed. So I go down there and he escorts me all the way back up the house, up the stairs. And he's like, stay. I'm like, I'm not a dog. He's like, nope. He's like, you need to stay. You need to stay here because if you fall or something, not good. And love him to pieces. Now, hopefully, oops, that's going to stick down like right away. So there. Front and back of the little tin. Now, I'm going to find some kind of, I think maybe like a little thing of Hershey Kisses. And this is going to be the last of my, what you call it? Phyllis, I filled up this little bottle with glue you gave me. But we're going to use the other one. I want to put a little bit more in that one. It just had an air bubble. So, we're going to go around here. I thought I would have this as one of my little door prizes too, showing other demonstrators ideas of what they can do for their customers. I love creative uses like the simple things that if you're in a bind, you could, like a birthday, and you had something like this laying around, you could use this. You can throw some money in the tin, some chocolates. If you know someone who plays pool, you could throw in a whole roll of quarters in here. I would open it up and let all the quarters be in here because I do like to shoot pool. I'm not very good anymore. I used to be. Before I had children, I could make the ball skip balls, jump over balls. I was really good. Now, no. Now I just play because I want to play. So this, because of course this isn't going anywhere, we're going to use some dimensionals. So I want to put dimensionals on the 4 wings, right? And then I'm going to put glue in the center. So 1, 2, 3. You could have used minis, but these, I really could have used minis. Oh my goodness. That looks so huge next to this little butterfly. So I'm going to squiggle me some glue right there. I can tell my little dog wants in my room. I locked her outside. She was laying in the sunshine, and I didn't want her and the neighbor dog Finn having a bark fest. So adding that little glue, I'm just going to hold it down for a minute, but you can see how it forces the wings up like this, right? A bit, because now they have the dimensionals to land. And of course, we're going to give our butterfly some antenna, because we're not mean children. We didn't pluck the antenna off the butterfly. So what else are we going to add? Some shimmer to him. Trying to use up whatever is in this because it was in my drawer forever. That's good, but we do need, I think we need a little something here. Like I said, this is quick. Look at how cute that is. You see that? Put that in a little clear envelope. What a great little gift. Make a little card. I just don't have, I could have done the birthday on the card. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see if I change up project number 14. But right now I'm looking for some bling. And I still haven't found the bling that Phyllis gave me. I had it all in this clear plastic envelope she had, and I've put it up somewhere safe, and I just don't know where it is. See, that's Moody Mauve. These are too big to go on the stars. Oh, these would be pretty. Those would be pretty. These were the iridescent rhinestones. Now, you even got some in a paper pumpkin kit. These are from the actual paper pumpkin kit. And why am I going to stick them back in there and use the other ones? Because my OCD tendency is telling me I need to use these first. Sorry, guys. I'm just the way I am sometimes. Sometimes I can beat it. Sometimes I just go with it. And these have. So there we go. So that's it. That's all I'm doing on this. And I'm going to put some stuff in there, some candies, and this will be one of my little prize door prizes. Just little stuff that I make here and show, and it gives me a good use to repurpose them, share them. If I had a birthday coming up, I could use it. Oh, I almost forgot to put that in. So that's it, guys. Wasn't that quick and fast? And that's all she wrote. So thanks for watching. I hope that this may give you some ideas. I mean, you could do something similar like this on a mason jar and fill that with stuff to give as a gift. But I really liked, and I love this happy birthday. That is really cool. I love that. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope to see you again in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now.